Oh, it is not. This is not financial advice, all right? So don't sue me, bro. All right, do not sue me. What's going on, guys? It's Seth with etfs.com, and I'm back again with
another one.
For those new to the channel, welcome to the realest channel on YouTube. Here we don't just talk that talk, we walk that walk. So if you find any value in this content over here, make sure to gently destroy the subscribe button for more content like this. I'll make this a short video, and I will assume that you're already aware of the madness surrounding GameStop and the fight between retail investors and the hedge funds, since almost everybody and their grandma seems to know about it. I will also assume that you are aware that brokers like Robinhood, TD Ameritrade, and Interactive Traders are now putting restrictions on trading on certain stocks like GameStop, AMC, BlackBerry, and Nokia. If you are not aware of the madness going on in the stock market at the moment, make sure to check out the video in the description from Graham Stephan. This video is comprehensive, but I think it missed answering a key question, which is why don't we all take our hard-earned money and put it in the war between Wall Street and Main Street so we could have our revenge on the hedge funds? Actually, you know what? That doesn't sound right. Let me check my script. Yeah, swerve. Nah, that was not a question. All right. So the question is GameStop a buy? Should you put your steamy or your hard-earned money into the war between hedge funds and the retail investors? So without further ado, let's get active.
Whooped it. Tell my side it's a movie. Blue cheese. I swear I'm addicted to blue cheese.
Since fundamental analysis seems to be in the backseat and trends and memes are currently behind the wheel, I'll be answering the question, is GameStop a buy, using price action or price trends and technical analysis. Okay, at the moment, we are looking at the daily chart for GameStop, and we can see that this stock has been pretty much busy for the past 2 to 3 weeks, going from a price of just under $18 to about $480, and now trading at the price of $193. In aftermarket, the aftermarket price is actually a little bit higher than 193, so it is probably expected to open higher than 193 in the morning tomorrow. But let's take a step back. Let's go 5 months back to August 2020 over here. Let me add a couple of trend lines. All right, so let me use the line tool, and I'll add a trend line over here. I'll just draw the top level, actually just the top. I'll just draw out the tops. So over here. All right, so if everything was normal, this stock should be trading around maybe $50 ish, right? If everything was normal, right? But then this is definitely not normal, and then we already know what's going on, right? Is a short squeeze, right? The short sellers are being forced to buy back in. Also, retail investors are also pumping money, are also dumping money into it and pumping the stock price up, right? So this is definitely not normal. All right, the volume we can see was it dropped down a little bit. So today the price dropped down from $480 to about $193, but then this is still definitely way outside of the normal for this stock. I'm expecting a big pullback. The volume is definitely way out of the normal over here. You can see that. You can see from here the volume is normally hovering around 10 mil to 33 mil. But then this is, I'm not sure how much data investing.com is pulling in, but then this is definitely not normal. Let me add the RSI. Let me make this quick. So on the RSI tells the same story, right? Over here, even though the RSI is currently at 64, yesterday we could see that it was at 98. So this was just destined to drop down because the maximum RSI is 100, right? And then yesterday was at 98. There was no more room for it to keep pushing up. It just had to drop down. Like, there was no two ways about that. A stock normally, a stock is lucky to hit the 90 level on the RSI. So this is way out of luck, right? Like, this is like magic. It's magic happening over here. So this was just destined to break down. On the average, we can see that for this for GameStop, right, the average RSI on the daily is around 86. If I'm right. Yup, 86 over here also. 86 over there. And every time it went, it touched 86, you see what happens, right? There was a drop. Over here, the same thing. It had that drop before pulling back up. So every indicator over here, I only use the volume and the RSI. But then from the technical analysis, this is definitely not a buy at the moment. If you're buying it, you should be aware of all the risks associated with this. Let's look at this on the weekly, right? On the weekly, still the RSI is still at 96. Yeah, I'm definitely not touching this. I'm not touching this stock with a 10-foot pole. All right, unless the price drops down to a reasonable level, maybe around a 50, then I may think about it. But at the moment, I will not touch this stock with a 10-foot pole. Okay, so now putting it all together, is GameStop a buy? From my technical analysis, no, it is not. On a weekly RSI, on the weekly, the RSI is it shows that it's way overbought. On the daily, it shows the same. So I'm definitely not touching this stock until the price, and that is even a big if. If the price drops down to around the $60 level, that's when I might touch it. But then that's a big if. All right. Oh, this is not financial advice. All right.
So sue me. No, don't sue me. That's the opposite of the point that I'm trying to make.
Thank you for watching this video. I have another video coming out soon on the best stocks and cryptos that are planned buying in the month of February. So if that's something that you are interested in, make sure to gently destroy the subscribe button. Make sure to hit the bell button, the notification button, so you get notified when I do publish a new video. Also, make sure to gently destroy the like button. That way YouTube will recommend this video to others. You could join us on Instagram at Know That Assets on Instagram. You could join us on our website, knowthatassets.com. All right. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.